You step inside a heavily guarded military headquarters, and under the blinding white lights of a polished showroom, you see it. Sleek, menacing, futuristic, the jet everyone's been whispering about. This is the F/A-XX, America's upcoming 6th-generation stealth fighter jet. Welcome back to AutoTrend, the place where we uncover the world's most advanced machines and the secrets behind their power. At first glance, the F/A-XX looks like something straight out of science fiction, but this isn't a movie prop. It's a prototype designed to dominate the skies of tomorrow. Its urban camouflage livery with sharp shades of gray and steel isn't just for looks. It's engineered to blend with city skylines, industrial landscapes, and overcast skies, making it nearly invisible to the naked eye. The design is radical. No tail fins, razor-thin wings, and a body sculpted for maximum stealth. Every panel, every angle has been tested to scatter enemy radar and keep this machine hidden in plain sight. Even its exhaust system has been reimagined, suppressing heat signatures to make it nearly undetectable by infrared sensors. But stealth is just the beginning. Inside this jet lies next-generation avionics powered by artificial intelligence. The F/A-XX is expected to fly side by side with drone swarms, directing them like an airborne commander. Imagine one pilot controlling not just a fighter, but an entire fleet of autonomous war machines in real time. The design is radical. No tail fins, razor-thin wings, and a body sculpted for maximum stealth. Every panel, every angle, has been tested to scatter enemy radar and keep this machine hidden in plain sight. Even its exhaust system has been reimagined. And let's not forget its weapons. Analysts predict the F/A-XX will be equipped with hypersonic missiles capable of striking at speeds over Mach 5, along with directed energy weapons and electronic warfare systems that can shut down enemy radars before they even realize they're under attack. This aircraft isn't just about speed and firepower, it's about information dominance. The F/A-XX will gather and process battlefield data faster than anything flying today, giving its pilot the power to outthink, outmaneuver, and overwhelm the enemy long before a dogfight even begins. Think about it. The F/A-18 Super Hornet has served as America's frontline fighter for decades. Now, the F/A-XX is being built to replace it and carry U.S. air power deep into the mid-21st century. So here's the big question. Is this truly the future king of the skies? Or will rivals from China and Russia roll out their own 6th-generation fighters to challenge American dominance? One thing is certain. With the F/A-XX, the battlefield of tomorrow will never look the same again. Stay tuned with AutoTrend, because this is just the beginning. The next generation of air combat has already arrived, and the race for air superiority is officially on.